Pectus Warriors, what's going on? It's Riley Byrne, and in today's video I wanted to talk about getting bullied with pectus, how to deal with it, and what to do. So firstly, I'll just talk about my experience with getting bullied and as a kid. So I never really got bullied, no one picked on me, but people would look at me when I was at like swimming carnivals and had my top off as a kid and point at my hole and be like, what's that? What's up with your chest? Why is it so weird? Like more so curiosity, you know? But to me it was almost bullying because it really affected me and it made me super upset. And I remember I had to just walk around like this the whole time, or I'd basically just wear shirts basically everywhere I went, or double shirt so people wouldn't notice it. But anyway, what to do when people comment on your pectus, or if they pick on you, what to do about it is tell them that you have pectus, that you have a sunken chest, it's a deformity, and that's who you are. And if they can't accept that, then what's wrong with them? You know, there's nothing you can really do. I wouldn't backlash, I wouldn't get agitated, because then it shows them they won. If they're trying to get a reaction from you, don't give them a reaction, and then you give them what they want. Just tell them, yeah, I've got pectus, and what of it? Like, that's me, and I'm happy to be who I am, you know. And that's the kind of mindset I want you to have. I want you to accept that this is what you are, be happy, and then accept the fact that you can make it better. And that's the next thing I was going to say, is what you can do is you can start training, building muscle. So not only are you more confident because you have more muscle, but your pectus looks better as well. So that's another thing you can do. And the last thing is just like, don't let it affect you, guys. Like if someone says something, like it's easier said than done, I know, but try not to let that like affect your day, affect how you feel about yourself. You know, other people's opinions it's other people's opinions. It's no reflection of you, and you are you, and let your confidence be determined by who you are, your inner essence, not some external thought of someone else, you know. So that's my tips with it.
If you want to transform your pectus, then just type www.fixpectus.com/survey into the URL, and then you'll be redirected to take the survey to then see what case of pectus you kind of have, and then how much experience you have, and then we can figure out what the best solution is for you and the best steps moving forward for you to transform your pectus. So go do that and we'll be in touch.